If you're new to MetaTrader, you're probably wondering, how should I place a new order? Well, it might look complicated at first, but don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so by the end of this video, you can place your very first order confidently. To place a new order in MetaTrader 5, start by clicking New Order from the top toolbar. A new window will pop up where you'll enter all your trade details. First, choose the symbol you want to trade from the symbol dropdown, right? Like your USD or any other pair that you're interested in. And in the type section, select market execution. This means your order will be placed at the current market price, right? And then it's time to fill in the key trade settings. For instance, volume. Enter the size of your order. For example, 1.1 for the 1/10 of a lot, whatever you choose. And then we're going to have stop loss. This is the price where your trade will automatically close if it hits your profit, right? And below that, you'll see an option called Fill Policy. This controls how MetaTrader handles your order and the full volume, and if the full volume isn't available at your chosen price. Fill or kill. The full volume must be filled immediately or the order gets cancelled. Immediate or cancel. Any part of the order that can be filled with will be executed and the rest is cancelled. And then we're going to have return. The order stays in the queue to be filled later when it's possible. In most cases, you can leave the default setting as it is. You will also find the comment field. This is optional, but handy if you want to leave a note about why you placed the trade, like NFP breakout, right? So once you've checked everything, just click buy market if you expect the price to go up, or sell by market if you expect it goes down, right? And that's it. Your new order is now active and live. See? Placing a new order in MetaTrader 5 is not as difficult as it seems. Once you understand the basics, it becomes a second nature. In the next video of this playlist, we will dive deeper into MetaTrader's other tools so you can learn how to trade smarter, not harder. If you like this video, hit subscribe so you won't miss other videos.